Imagine a 19-year-old waking up and seeing 5 figures added to his bank account, not because of luck, a viral YouTube short, or relying on a job, but because he let AI work while everyone else slept. If you're still grinding a 9 to 5 and hoping for a breakout, you're doing it backwards. I'm gonna show you 5 real-life side hustles that feel almost illegal. They're unfairly easy, unfairly profitable, and scalable. And the best part, these methods are ignored by almost everybody. So the first one is automated content factories. One of the best methods is automated content. The 19-year-old didn't film dozens of selfies or hustle on social daily. He leveraged AI tools to create videos, scripts, voiceovers, and thumbnails at extreme pace. He picked a high CPM niche, used tools like ChatGPT for script writing, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and editing AI like Opus Clip for faceless videos. And once the system was all set up and grounded, he pulled in views and revenue insanely quick without ever being on camera. This isn't about becoming the next big social media influencer. It's about becoming a production machine behind the scenes. So the second one is digital products that generate after upload. The best kind of digital products to sell are the products that generate money after you launch it without any more effort. Instead of turning it into a 9 to 5 studio, the 19-year-old used AI to build templates, ebooks, Notion dashboards, and prompt packs, and uploaded them to marketplaces like Gumroad and Etsy. These products were created one time and can be sold forever. Imagine uploading 10 items in an afternoon, and each item sells while you sleep. And this is the main reason why it feels illegal. The margin is high, the effort is low, and the scale is absolutely unbelievable. The third one is niche research and invisible agency work. And this is another high leverage route. The young creator used AI to research niche markets, generate leads, craft cold outreach messages, and land clients without ever pitching live. He used scrapping tools, big data prompts, and email automation to run a micro agency that pulled in hundreds per client every month. For most people, agency work means messages, calls, meetings, and stress, but by automating the outreach and research, he created an income stream that runs in the background while he focuses on scaling. The fourth one is AI plus an investing edge. Instead of gambling or chasing financial hype, the 19-year-old fed financial data into AI models, identified patterns, and made informed micro investments in undervalued niches. And then he repackaged the results into content, which that alone generated a whole other revenue channel. He didn't just invest, he turned investing into a content business. You don't need to be the next Warren Buffett. You just need to apply AI to data that the majority of people ignore. So finally, the fourth one is systems over hustling, letting money run while you live. And this is by far the biggest secret that this 19-year-old would use. He set up the workflows once: content pipelines, product uploads, lead generation sequences, investment tracking, and then after all of this, he stepped back. He didn't grind harder than everybody else, he built smarter. That's why when you hear he's barely 19 and making 4 figures a day, it's not necessarily because he found a hack, it's because the systems he built are doing the heavy lifting for him. The question is, which side hustle is the right one? It's, can you turn this side hustle into a business or a system that works for you? If you watch this whole video and want to take one thing from it, it's gonna be this: your age, your current job, or your lack of experience doesn't matter. What matters is your willingness to build real assets and your own systems today while most people wait. If you're ready to stop trading time for money and actually build something that works for you, all you have to do is try one of these methods, because the only thing that's stopping you is you. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Make sure to watch this video right here, and as always, thank you for watching.